Hi there, I'm Jeanette Lane for the Papercraft Society, and it's time for the full reveal of the February Papercraft Society box by designer Ruth Mackie-McCartan. The Papercraft Society is a monthly subscription box with over 60 pounds worth of crafting goodies delivered right to your door. There's a different designer featured every month, plus several subscription plans available, and free shipping within the UK. And there's also worldwide shipping available too. Now, this month's featured designer is Ruth Mackie-McCartan, and you might recognize her from her time at Hunkydory and also Create and Craft TV. The sign-up deadline to receive this box is January 20th, 2020 at midnight. Now, a little bit more about Ruth. She's a designer and has been crafting for over 50 years, and she's worked with big brands like Cricut and Hunkydory, and she was also a presenter on Create and Craft for 10 years. And she's created such a beautiful box for us that's perfect for celebrations and masculine makes, and features a Tuxedo Box Die that you're not going to want to miss. So let's get to showing you everything inside of the box. Now, when you open up your box, you're going to notice a sentiment. It says, "Time to make the magic happen. Let's craft," from Ruth. I love that so much. And then you're going to see your beautiful storage wallet, which I need to push this box out of the way just a bit to open this up. Now, the storage wallet is going to contain the bulk of your items, and it has here which box it is. So it's Papercraft Society Box 5. You can store them with the rest of your beautiful storage wallets and boxes. So this wallet opens up once, twice, 3 times to reveal most of your crafting goodies inside. So these are the star items. They are your dies, your toppers, your stamps, and also your papers. We're going to get to everything. So you'll notice the beautiful vibrant colors inside, blues. We've got yellows as well in the papers, which you will see in just a bit. But these have all been, the colors and the designs have been chosen by Ruth. And these are going to help you make cards for celebrations, birthdays, all occasion cards, as well as beautiful masculine makes. Now, let's start off with a die set because I'm really excited about the Tuxedo Box Card Die. So here is the 21-piece die set, and it's a little bit hard to see there, but this allows you to create a tuxedo box card as well as all of the pop-up elements. So let me set this aside because I've actually die cut these from white so that you can see everything more clearly. So here is the box that you're going to get once you die cut that from white. It gives you the score lines for you to be able to assemble your tuxedo box card. And it has this die here for your pop-up elements. There are instructions inside of the Inspiration booklet for how to assemble your tuxedo box card, but also other pop-up boxes. There are so many things that you can do with this die set. Now, these dies here are going to create the mats and the layers for these panels, which I think is really helpful when you pair the pattern papers and the solid color cardstock that's included, which I will show you in just a bit. So this creates the base of your boxes, and then we move over here, and these are all the fun element for your pop-ups. So we have a flower, we have a die here that die cuts into your card and creates that little center, that detailed center for your flower. You have some leaves, some beautiful stars here to work with. As you can see, I have die cut those and scattered them throughout the desk. And then we have some sentiments as well. We have yay, celebrate, time to party, which of course you can substitute time to celebrate as well. And then we have the balloon highlights here, which these layer on top of the balloons. We have a heart, a little curlicue for some like confetti, some streamers, and then also the wave for the balloons, the little string for the balloons, which is really fun. Next, I'm grabbing the stamp set and a piece of A5 sized white cardstock so that you can see those beautiful images and elements and sentiments up close without that glare. So this is an A5 size stamp set, and there's 24 stamps included. There are classic designs and background elements for both both masculine and feminine cards. The sentiments include simply the best, special, happy, celebration, birthday, surprise, occasion. So you can do a fun bit of mixing and matching. And then I love these, these like big and bold, the bow tie, and then also the tie and the little set of pearls there for your tuxedo box cards and also your pop-up box cards as well. Okay, so next I want to show you the pattern papers, and Ruth is hiding back here. There we go. So we have 12 pattern papers. There are 4 designs and 3 of each design. So we have a starry scatter pattern here. Gorgeous. And then we have stripes with yellows and blues and whites, and these are going to match the toppers as well as the inks and also the cardstock that's included. And then we have this kind of wavy pattern. Again, these are great for all occasion cards, celebration cards, masculine makes. And then we have a really fun chevron in a white, blue, and mustard yellow. And again, these colors have been handpicked by Ruth and designed to create bright and bold cards for men, women, and teenagers. Now let's talk about the foil toppers next. I love foil toppers. They are great for quick makes, and these are really fun. So they're silver foiled. We have some sentiments here: celebration, surprise, some stars throughout, some balloons, some champagne bottles, wine bottles, and also some little champagne flutes. And you get 2 sheets of these beautiful toppers, again, perfect for quick makes. Also inside of your storage wallet, you're gonna find a pop-up box template. So that's gonna help you create a different version of the pop-up box, which is here. So I believe this one was created by Ruth, so it folds flat. And so this stencil is going to help you create this beautiful pop-up box. And it's time to close up our storage wallet and set that aside so we can see everything else included in the box. So we're going to start off with the coordinating card and acetate. There are 8 pieces of cardstock included, so 4 colors and 2 of each color. So we have navy, red, mustard, and also white. And you also get 2 pieces of A5 size acetate. And the acetate can be used to add height to the pop-up elements of your cards, or you can use it to create shaker cards or windows. Now the cardstock is a good foundation card. It's 220 GSM. So loving the colors. They coordinate with the rest of the pattern papers and also the toppers. Next we have our inspirational quote card, and this is a crafty sentiment from Ruth. She says, "You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have." And when you flip this over, you get an adhesive guide, which is a simple guide to glues. So which glues to use on which type, like different materials. So paper, acetate, fabric, MDF, and it tells you what type of glues you can use with these particular materials, which I think is really helpful. So we'll set that over here. That will do our little quote card right next to our inspiration booklet, which I will show you at the very end. Next we have our 2 inks, and these colors were specially picked by Ruth. Now these colors really stand out, but they also coordinate with the rest of the box. So we have a red here and also a navy, and these are high quality premium hybrid inks, and the hybrid formula means that you can use these inks with watercolors and alcohol mediums, and they're not going to smear. So you can build your collection of these inks with every box every month. Now I'm really excited about the adhesive silver studs. So you get 1 sheet with 3 sizes. These are so fun to embellish your card fronts. You can add them to the corners, just add a little bit of silver metallic finish to your cards. But you can also use them as buttons here, as Ruth has done, which I thought was so clever. So you're gonna love having a play with those. Now you're also going to get some of this gray silky satin ribbon. That's so nice. You're going to get 1 meter of that to embellish your card fronts, maybe add a bow to your card. And I love the color. Again, it coordinates with the rest of the kit. Now, the Inspiration booklet features 15 projects with step-by-step instructions and guide photos to help you make your pop-up boxes, to help you make those quick makes, masculine cards, birthday cards, and more. And we have projects from Ruth, Claire Rogers, Sam Clayton of Mixed Up Craft, Carol Jones, and me. And the last treat in your box that's going to cause you to celebrate is a 10-pound voucher to CraftStash. So you can stock up on embellishments or stamps, or maybe you needed some more paper, then you can do that with your voucher. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget the closing date to sign up for the February Papercraft Society subscription box is January 20th, 2020 at midnight. And if you want more details on the Papercraft Society, then just head to craftstash.co.uk/Papercraft Society.